पहले लेक्चर में जो मैंने कहा था उसके बाद से अब स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो अब हम लोग सीखेंगे टाइप ऑफ सेट। पहले वीडियो में कुछ टाइप मैंने बताया, उसके बाद इस वीडियो में और टाइप बताना स्टार्ट करते हैं। A singleton set, a set that contain only one element, that is next type is cardinality of set. What is cardinality? Let's get example and then I clarify where the cardinality and what is and how it is work. So let an example. The cardinality of that particular set A is the number of elements of a set. That is, define cardinality of A equals to 4. And another an example. So the cardinality of B is 5. Next type, subset and superset. सबसेट क्या है और सुपरसेट क्या है, एग्जाम्पल से समझाऊंगा तो ज़्यादा तकलीफ नहीं होगी। तो लेट A be a set that contain 1, 2, 3 and B be also a set of contain 1, 4, 7, 5, 2, 3. So the cardinality of set A and B are A होगा 3 and cardinality of B होगा 6. तो सबसेट सिंबल हम ऐसे डिफाइन करते हैं, ए सबसेट ऑफ बी। कैसे ये सबसेट ऑफ बी कैसे हुआ? ए के अंदर है 3 एलिमेंट, सो ए के अंदर जो एलिमेंट है दैट मस्ट कंटेन्ड इन बी, बट बी इज बिगर देन ए, दैट इज द सिंबल like A is subset of B, that B is the big set also contain the elements of A. For that reason, A is a subset of B. In this, B is also called a superset of A. Why? B is the small than A. B is the bigger than A. So B is called a superset of A. The number of elements of A are smaller than the number of elements in B, also contained in B. So definition. So let us define the particular definition. Let S be a set. Okay. A set T is said to be subset of S if an element X belongs to T, that imply X belongs to S. This is the particular definition. That means that each element of T is an element of S. So now we expressed it. T is a subset of S. Since T is contained in S, so S is a superset of T. This symbol is superset, or this symbol is subset. Universal set. What is universal set? Universal set is a set that consists all possible elements which occur under consideration is called universal set. That is, and we denote capital U. When we see the example of union and intersection, then we tell about universal set. Now start comparable of a set. Comparable. A set कंपेयर मतलब दो सेट का जरूरत है, मतलब टू सेट्स A and B are said to be comparable if either not A subset B or B subset A are non-comparable neither A subset of B नॉर बी सबसेट ऑफ ए। मतलब कंपेयर होने के लिए दोनों सेट में सबसेट होना जरूरी है, सबसेट होगा तभी कंपेरेबल होगा। मतलब ए में जो एलिमेंट रहेगा बी में भी वैसे ही एलिमेंट रहना होगा, तभी कंपेरेबल कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, अब आती हूँ पावर सेट। पावर set is all possible subset of a given set. That is, if we given a set A equal to 1, 2, 3. So we denote power set of A is P of A, that is 5, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So a set contain 3 elements, power set of A contain 8 elements. So given a set of n element, that is A equal to 1 to dot n. So P of A contain 2 to the power n elements. That is 3. P of A contain 2 to the power 3, so 8 elements. Now start Venn diagram. Venn diagram क्या होता है? Venn diagram होता है, उससे पहले कुछ बताना चाहिए था, बट वो है ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन, दैट्स लाइक पिक्चर। वेन डायग्राम इज ए ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ सेट्स। कैसे होता है वो मैं दिखा देता हूँ, उसके बाद स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो फर्स्ट है वो जो यूनियन, पहले मैं ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन दिखा देता हूँ, उसके बाद यूनियन क्या होता है, कैसे होता है। वेन डायग्राम देखने से समझने में दिक्कत नहीं होगी, ठीक है। लेट ए union B, that is this symbol is known as union symbol, that or A और B, ऐसे भी हम लोग बहुत बता सकते हैं। उसका सिंबल कैसा होता है दिखाता हूँ। यूनिवर्सल सेट इज लाइक दैट, फुल ऑफ, दिस इज यूनिवर्सल सेट। ओके, अच्छा, लेट ए एक्ट सेट दैट्स लाइक ऐसे, उसके अंदर एलिमेंट होगा बी अनदर एक सेट। So this set is called A, this set B. Sum of element are equal, like containing A and containing B. So this is like that. So A union B is this portion only. That is, this is the A union B portion. Okay. So A intersection B, that is A and B, that which are the common element in A and B, that is defined A intersection B. Or union, all possible element are called union. So that's defined like this is universal set, this is A, this is B. Sum of elements are equal, so A intersection B means common element between A and B. This portion is A intersection B. This full portion is A union B. Complement of an element is defined like that, but that is like not okay. Okay, define कैसे करते हैं इन वेन डायग्राम पर ऐसे, this is universal set, this is set A. So complement of A is full of portion within the set, without set A. This is called complement of A. Friends, so difference between two set in Venn diagram, that's like the universal set A, B, from A exclude B, that's like A, B, that's that. That particular topic is A minus B. And then symmetric difference. That's a symmetric. This symbol is known as symmetric difference symbol. So now in Venn diagram, U, A, and B. And this is also known as A minus B. That's union of B minus A. So from A minus B, that is A minus B, and B minus A, that's union. So this portion exclude this portion. This is called asymmetric difference of B. Asymmetric difference B is also expressed as A union B minus A intersection B. Also, it expressed from that particular notation is A intersection pair complement, that's union A complement intersection B. Also, you can check it out using Venn diagram. So that Venn diagram is U, A union B, A, B. So A union B is like pull. Say A intersection B like A union B. That's A intersection B. So after that, A B excluding that intersection A intersection B. In similar way, you can check it out. That's